Today I'm making fish burger for my children's pack lunches. So let's do that together. I have my fish. This is without bone. I'm gonna cut it into two like so. The next thing is to combine my spices to marinate it. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, not too much, soya spice, paprika powder, parsley, all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to add my olive oil. Mix to combine. I'm gonna rub it on the fish and massage. Once that is done, I will proceed by, this is my 2 eggs. I'm gonna add a little bit of milk to loosen it up like so. Tiny bit of salt. Whisk. Now you can choose to leave your fish a little bit to marinate, but I'm gonna do it immediately. I have my breadcrumbs. I'm gonna start frying. Now to fry the fish, I'm gonna coat it with breadcrumbs like so. Like so. Then add to your whisked egg, back to the breadcrumbs, and fry. Make sure you are frying on a medium to low heat so that it will cook through. Now repeat the same process. Back to the breadcrumbs. Fry. Make sure you give them space. You give it space. Don't overpack the fish. Now let's check on the fish. It's been frying for 8 minutes. 4 minutes on both sides. Now I'm gonna check. Look at that. Golden, crispy fish fillet. Look at that. I'm gonna fry the rest. The second batch is done. Looking nice and demure. Look at that. All done. Now let's put it together. First I will make my sauce. I'm going to combine ketchup, mayo, and the sweet chili sauce. Now I'm going to go in with my ketchup, mayo, and sweet chili sauce. Now stir, stir, stir. And the sauce is ready. Look at that. For my burger buns, I'm using the brioche rolls. I'm using the brioche roll. It's more sweet. You can use any one. This one is already cooked. First, add your sauce a little bit. Spread it. Now add your lettuce. Now add your tomatoes. Optional. I'm gonna top it more with. Emmanuel doesn't like tomatoes, so I didn't put on this one. I'm gonna add the burger, fish burger. add more sauce. Just layer it the way you want. This is how I like it. And all done. Time to cover like so. All done. Time to wrap it with foil. Now add their favorite vegetables or fruits. Today I'm adding cucumbers and tangerine. Now cover and it's done. All done. Thank you for watching. Bye.